Hey everyone, I normally don't do introductions to my videos like this. However, this was a special test for me, so I figured I'd do something a little bit different for it. This particular siren is installed in Thomaston, Georgia at the Mountain View Baptist Church just north of town. And what's special about this siren for me is the head. The Thunderbolt head on this siren originally was installed in Sherman, Texas, which was my late grandfather's hometown. For those of you that don't know, my grandfather played a huge role in my life in general. And also, when it came to this hobby, he facilitated a lot of the travel that I did for the very early recordings that I did. I want to say that all of the time recordings that I did, when I was recording them with my cell phone, he took me to all of those tests. He also took me to almost all of the tests that I did on military installations up until 2018 when he passed away. As far as the siren is concerned, he never got a chance to actually hear it when it was in service in Sherman because by the time it went up, he already was in the military. As a matter of fact, I think he was stationed in Fort Benning by the time it went up. So, yeah, and unfortunately, by the time the siren made its way here to Georgia to be restored and reinstalled, he was already in the hospital sick and he passed away shortly afterwards. So, um, never got a chance to hear it together. Wasn't there with me physically for this test, but I know he was there with me in spirit. So I wanted to dedicate this video to him. Um, I hope you guys enjoy it, and rest in peace, Papa.